I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a resume in Figma. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Set your canvas to a standard resume size, like US letter, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. Using frames and auto layout from the start will help keep your design organized and adaptable as you build. This foundation is key for a professional look. Now, let's structure your resume effectively. Create distinct sections for your contact information, work experience, education, and skills. Consistent spacing and alignment are crucial for readability and a polished appearance. A two-column layout can often maximize space and create a visually engaging design, guiding the reader's eye smoothly through your qualifications. With your structure in place, it's time to add your content. Focus on clear, concise language, highlighting your achievements with specific numbers and results. Choose one or two professional, legible fonts for your entire resume. A limited color palette, perhaps one accent color, will ensure a sophisticated and cohesive design without overwhelming the reader. Before exporting, meticulously proofread your entire resume for any errors. A single typo can detract from your professionalism. Export your finished resume as a PDF file to ensure it looks consistent across all devices and prints perfectly. Finally, remember to create tailored versions for specific job applications, highlighting relevant skills and experiences for each role.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.